Come in.
Hi, Stephen.
Ray, hi.
I wonder if we could have a quick word.
Yep, come in.
What it is we've just had our salaries paid into our accounts.
Yeah.
And, well, I don't know if you remember, but last month you gave us categorical assurance that the productivity bonus would be included.
Yeah, and has it not?
Well, there's no sign of it, right? This is the third time we've been let down.
You're right to bring this to my attention, because I remember the date well. It was
January 14th.
January 14th.
Yeah.
I remember that's dreadful. It's an ordinary pack of cards, so it's not a big one. Anyone, doesn't matter.
The thing is, because we
Don't show it to me.
really expected it to be
Then
in
where's the card show to the others?
this month,
Okay. Pop it back in.
a lot of us have made sort of
It's going to shuffle. Okay.
finance.
Look in your right-hand trouser pocket. Is that your card?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yeah?
How the hell
There you go, you see. Yeah.
he didn't go anywhere near your trousers? Did he give you that card before you came?
No, he didn't. No.
Taxi! Come in.
Hi, Steve.
Ray, hi.
Yeah, look, going to be a bit blunt here.
Yeah.
None of us are going to leave this office until you give us a cheque for the extra work we did last month. And I'm sorry, we're not going to be fobbed off any longer.
Has that not come through?
No, it hasn't.
That's outrageous. I don't know what's happened. All I can say is I'm really very sorry, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write you a personal cheque here and now. How's that?
Well, yeah.
Yeah? Would that be acceptable?
Yeah, great.
Okay. Oh my goodness. 3 oranges on you. You know why I keep going? Do that.
Oh.
They're just ordinary oranges.
Can you do it?
No way.
Ray, hi. Right. Don't say another word. I understand you're angry. Just don't say another word. Go to that top drawer and have a look. Go on, have a look in that drawer. Oh.